let us study the external oblique muscle. Origin is 8 slips from the outer surface of the lower 8 lips. Insertion is outer lip of anterior of iliac crest, linea and linea alba. Nerve supply is lower 6 thoracic nerves, that is T7 to T12. Actions is in bilateral contraction, flexion of trunk, and it increases the intra-abdominal pressure. In unilateral contraction, it is lateral flexion of trunk. Now let us study about the internal oblique muscle. Origin is lateral 2/3 of the inguinal ligament, anterior 2/3 of the iliac crest, and the insertion is linea alba and pubic crest, xiphoid process, and nerve supply is lower 6 thoracic nerves, that is T7 to T12, and L1 spinal nerve, and the actions are bilateral contraction, in that flexion of trunk and increases the intra-abdominal pressure, and in unilateral contraction it is lateral flexion of the trunk. Now let us study about the transverse abdominis muscle. Its origin is lateral 1/3 of the inguinal ligament, anterior 2/3 of the iliac crest, and lower 6 ribs. Its insertion is linea alba, pubic crest, and pecten pubis. Its nerve supply is ventral primary rami of T7 to T12 and L1 nerve. Its action of transverse abdominis muscle is in bilateral contraction. It increases the intra-abdominal pressure. It helps in expiration. In unilateral contraction, it helps in rotation of the trunk to same side.